So check it out, guys. We got this 4-door Chevy Silverado Cat Eye. We're gonna drop this 6.0 in there, freshly done. Has a what, stage 3 cam? Stage 3 Texas Speed cam. I don't light. O le metemos ese? Nah, this one. It's gonna go on this one. That's the. It's crunch time, guys. We're getting the motor mounts in. The 6.0. So now we gotta get this motor at this stand and put it on this one with the hook, and in it goes. Right here we're gonna hold up the cables. Una pinche técnica nomás. Para que se tengan para arriba. It's ready?
Somewhat.
You gotta tighten that thing up.
Dale.
Ready to go in. Dropping motors in. Va para adentro. Nice and painted. Check it out. New spark plugs. Nice bolts. New motor mounts. The bolts. Todo lo que sube es todo lo que ocupamos. Permíteme.
Get it. I can push it. You just kind of guide it. Yep. Let's go. ¿Sí lo pasas por arriba?
Yeah. Perfect. Oh, we're supposed to stretch this out.
Está muy pesado.
So you won't be able to? Go ahead, drop it. Push the picture. No, no creo. Oh, we had to bring it down and extend this a little bit, and we fought it in here. But ahí va la cosa. We just gotta get the motor mounts, que peguen ahí en esos hoyos. So we had to remove the bumper, guys, because we need space to put it all the way in. Quick couple bolts. Hopefully we're good now. It's in. It's perfect. All the wiring is aligned with the bumper removed. I mean, it gives us exactly all the space we needed. Oh. Putting the motor mount bolts in. We're gonna put the harness back on. Y a salir a quemar llanta. Ah, we still gotta get the trans on.
These are black Jeeps with like cream.
We just tightened these up. Got them adjusted, the rockers. We're gonna put the covers back on. This has already done. Looks good right there, the color. Who painted it, you?
Yeah.
So we got the fans, water pump, alternator, pulleys, radiator. That all gotta go. Compressor.
Ya lo voy a dejar nomás hoy que es el play. I think the bottom one we did it with a fucking thing. We could put it in my hand.